In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brand board in GoHighLevel. So let's get started. First of all, you will want to go in Settings and then scroll down to Brand Boards. Then do Add Design Kit. Now, this is the fun part because you get to choose a design kit. A design kit is basically like a theme of your brand board. So maybe you want the theme to be Earth, Lagoon, coffee, dusk, dessert, whatever you want. So I'm going to choose coffee. So now you can upload your logo here. So for example, if my business was coffee, like a coffee shop like Starbucks or Tim Hortons, I would choose this. But this is just an example, so you can do whatever you want. Now, you can also see all the colors here, and when you click on them, you can see the numbers, so you can copy the color off later. But first of all, you would want to name the brand board. So let's name it to, there we go. Now what we can do, we can upload a logo by simply clicking here. Now, all you gotta do is you gotta download your logo from here and then do upload from file if you downloaded it. And then you'd see a page here like this one and you can just select it. But for now, I'm just choosing an already downloaded picture, but of course, choose your own logo. So for example, if this was my logo, I would choose this. But now what you can do, you can also upload your logo too. So if you have the main logo and a secondary logo, you can also upload this logo. So if I click it here, click this and insert media, just like that. So this would be my main logo and this would be my second logo. Now, first of all, before we start anything else, let's save board because we don't want it accidentally to be deleted. Now, if you click in colors, you can see all the colors. You can see gray, light cream, and dark cream. You can also add colors like that. So maybe I can go here and I can add the color like maybe this color right there. Now, that's basically it for the colors part. You do have to play around with the colors a little bit for your liking, or if you're making a brand board for another business to their liking. Now, this is the typography. Now, you can do front one is maybe, you can choose the font to maybe be Roboto, do Montserrat, or Poppins. We'll choose Poppins for now. And font 2 is your secondary font again, is let's do Inter. Again, I'm just choosing a random font, but you can choose whatever you want. So a brand board is basically like what the theme of your website is. So for example, if my website was about landscaping and the theme colors would be gray, green, and let's say pink, I would say gray, green, and pink, and I would delete one. Now, this is the font of your main font of your website. So this is a brand board is basically just a template so you can remember your website easier if you want to make websites in bulk or if you want to make funnels in bulk. So my main font of my website will be Poppins and my second will be Inter. And now right here is you can change this to your website's link or anything you want, or you can write anything important so you can remember here. So guys, this is a short video, but a very information. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. So guys, this is basically the brand board. You have to play around with it a little bit. It's kind of tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it will be awesome. So I hope I see you in the next video, and bye.